Welcome back. So the episode begins with the entire Tandon family facing arrest in the dowry case. Naira pleads with the police to spare Aarambhi, insisting that she has always stood against dowry and should not be treated like the others. But the SCP refuses to make any exception, saying the investigation will reveal who is innocent and who is guilty. As the family is taken away, the media broadcast everything live, bringing public humiliation to the Tandons. Vishwas is furious and swears to punish whoever trapped his family. At the same time, Manmeet tries to defend Raj, saying he is an honest doctor who would never knowingly support a dowry demand. However, Sunny and Naira remain unconvinced, reminding everyone that appearances can be misleading. Despite Manmeet's effort, the police take the entire family into custody. Back at home, little Vihan breaks everyone's heart by asking Aarambhi to take him to the police station because he wants to be with his father. Holding back her tears, Aarambhi promises that she will bring Vishwas, Raj, Dada, and Dadi back home. Vihan trusts her completely, giving her the strength to stay determined. Meanwhile, Manmeet once again offers to help secure Raj's release, but Nandini angrily throws her out. Sunny also scolds Manmeet for interfering while Aarambhi tries to calm the situation. Later, Manju questions Aarambhi, asking if she secretly informed the police. Aarambhi firmly denies the accusation, but Manju warns that the Tandon family will blame only her no matter what the truth is. At the police station, reporters surround the arrested family and question them about accepting dowry. As angry people publicly insult them, Dimple turns her frustration towards Aarambhi, accusing her of causing the family's humiliation. Meanwhile, a dangerous twist unfolds. The ACP tells an officer to safely keep the pen drive containing the crucial evidence. Hidden nearby, Avantika overhears everything and comes up with a new plan. She decides to steal the pen drive and the phone so she can discover who exposed the Tandon family, save Vishwas and frame Aarambhi instead. She notices where the people have hidden the evidence, but before she can steal it, the officer arrives, forcing her to back away and wait for another opportunity. In the final moments, Aarambhi silently prays for Raj and refuses to believe he is guilty. Even as her own family doubts her, she remains determined to clear their names and bring everyone home, while Avantika's dangerous conspiracy threatens to destroy Aarambhi's life forever. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.